Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install OneDrive for agent document sharing, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type OneDrive download and press enter. Locate the official Microsoft OneDrive website from the search results. Click on the link to access the download page. On the download page, find and click the download button for Windows or Mac, depending on your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your browser's download section or your computer's download folder. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. If prompted, choose the installation location or accept the default location provided. Once the installation is finished, close the installer. Now, find the OneDrive icon on your desktop or in the Applications menu. Double-click the OneDrive icon to launch the application. You will be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your email and password, then click Sign In. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create one by clicking on the Create Account link. After signing in, you will see the setup screen. Follow the instructions to set up OneDrive, including choosing the folders you want to sync. Once the setup is complete, OneDrive will start syncing your selected files and folders. You can access OneDrive from the System Tray icon or the File Explorer on your computer. To share documents with agents, navigate to the OneDrive folder where your files are located. Right-click on the document you want to share and select Share. In the Sharing menu, enter the email addresses of the agents you want to share. You can also adjust the permissions by choosing if they can edit or only view the document. Click the Send button to share the document with the selected agents. Once shared, your agents will receive an email notification with a link to access the document. You have now successfully installed OneDrive and shared documents for collaboration. Enjoy seamless document sharing with your agents using OneDrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.